Hi everyone, this morning a customer brought in a Galanz microwave oven with a fault where it couldn't heat. He opened this part and asked me for a fuse because he said, he watched a video on Kyushu and then hooked the spring himself, so when measuring at this time it showed continuity. Actually, the spring inside the high-voltage fuse is not a fuse. The spring hooks the fuse inside. Sometimes it is a high-voltage fuse. Why use a spring hook? It is to prevent the fuse from breaking and then moving around inside, causing high-voltage arcing, so they use a spring to hook it. If the fuse breaks, it will discharge and hook it to the side. After measuring, the microwave filament is normal, but its filament and the casing already have a short circuit, so we need to replace a microwave filament. This is a thick fuse tube. Inside is a glass fuse tube. Similarly, there is a spring and fuse inside. The fuse is short and the spring is long. The spring is not the fuse. This is a new. Microwave filament part and Galanz is original and brand new. Under normal circumstances, the filament will not connect to the casing. There should be no resistance or continuity. If the resistance is too small or there is direct passage, that is a short circuit that requires replacement with a new part. At the same time, we also replaced a high-voltage fuse to see how to disassemble this microwave part. The model is $610,610, a 900-watt microwave tube. The left side is plugged in, the right side is hung on, and each side has one screw. Then we talked about the thermostat on the microwave filament above. There was a previous video where we repaired one. It heated up for 2 minutes, then overheated, and the thermostat tripped. So it was installed incorrectly at the factory. After replacing with a new microwave filament and high-voltage fuse, the test machine can heat normally.